Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to share with you a recipe for a delicious dish. Savory seafood and tofu stew with egg omelette. Let's dive right in. First, ensure the yellow crackers are cleaned, scaled, and free of gills and internal organs. Wash them thoroughly. Place the prepared yellow crackers in an air fryer and bake at 200 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes on each side until cooked through. Shell the shrimp and keep them aside. Prepare the ingredients by flattening the garlic, cutting tofu into cubes, and finally chopping both the white and green parts of the scallions. Next, beat an egg and cook it into a thick omelette in a frying pan. Set it aside. In a pan, heat some cooking oil and stir-fry the white part of the scallions, garlic, and shrimp shells until fragrant. Add doubanjiang and stir until it turns slightly red and aromatic. Deglaze the pan with hot water, bring it to a boil, and add cooking wine to remove any fishy smell. Now, add cubed tofu, yellow soybean paste, and salt. Simmer for about 5 minutes until the tofu is cooked through. Add the scallop, shrimp, and baked yellow crackers, and cook for another 5 minutes until everything is well combined and cooked. Finally, place a thick egg omelette on top, sprinkle with chopped green onions, and your savory seafood and tofu stew is ready to be enjoyed. It's incredibly delicious with no fishy taste at all, and it's sure to be a comforting and satisfying meal. Give this recipe a try and let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.